Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are working with labels in Tkinter. Labels are one of the most basic and commonly used widgets in Tkinter, the standard GUI toolkit for Python. They are used to display text or images in a window. In this chapter, we will explore how to create and manipulate labels in a Tkinter application, including displaying and resizing images. All right, so first of all, we are going to create a very basic label. All right, now we are going to import Tkinter. Alright, so this is a very simple code. I'm going to explain it. So first of all, we imported Tkinter library. Then we created the main window, called it root, and then we created a label with the text hello world, right? And we add the label to the window using the pack method, which arranges the widget in the window. Now we are going to start the Tkinter event loop with root.main loop, which keeps the window open and responsive. Let's see how it works in action. Alright, so this is our very small application, hello world. Now in the next chapter, we are going to look at how to work with the properties of the labels, right? Now in order to customize, we can use font, everything will remain same, and then I'm going to run this. Alright, so though it does not look that good, however, we got the concept how we can how manipulate the properties of label, right? Now we are going to look at how to work with images as a label. Alright, so first of all, we are going to import Tkinter. Then we are also going to use PIL module, TK, and the main window is already created, and also I can change it, my image application. Then I'm going to create image equal to image. To load the image, open mobile Then I'm going to use another variable, image tk dot photo image to image. Now I'm going to create a label with the image. So you imported Tkinter, then we use this PIL library, then we created the main window, added it a title, then we created an images and loaded the image there, and then we added the label here, and we are going to run this application. Okay, looks like we missed something. Alright, we missed to arrange. Alright, so now it is loaded. So this is how we work with images as application. Alright, and this is how we can use labels in Tkinter application. Okay, labels are fundamental components in Tkinter applications. They are easy to create and customize, making them ideal for displaying static or dynamic information, including text and images in your GUI. By understanding how to work with labels, you can enhance the visual presentation and interactivity of your applications. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.